Okay, welcome back, and we continue the explanation of chemical bonding. Now we are going to learn about the covalent bonding. Okay, so this is the covalent bonding, and in the previous video, we have something called the ionic bonding. Yeah. Okay. So in ionic bonding, the chemical bonding is made of different electrical charge, yeah, like the sodium fluoride, yeah, which is the sodium has plus, and then the fluorine, yeah, has negative. So plus and negative, it will be neutral. So these two ion will be the molecule. And then also the CaO, yeah, which the calcium is 2 plus, and then the oxygen has 2 minus, yeah. So 2 plus and 2 minus is 0, yeah, it's neutral, so it will become calcium oxide. Okay, now what is the covalent bonding? So the main idea of covalent bonding is sharing the electron. Okay, yeah. So as we know that every element in the periodic tables tries to be noble gas. It tries to mimic. Yeah, it tries to make their valence electron become 8. Yeah, but for helium it becomes 2. Yeah. So the main idea is sharing the electron. Okay, so I will show you for the example so we can directly understand. Okay, so there are some example here. Okay, this is the molecule, yeah, of some example of molecule that have covalent bonding. Okay, so we start from hydrogen, yeah. Okay, um, example number 1, we have hydrogen, yeah, because it is hard, yeah, for us to find only H, yeah, only H elements, yeah, in nature, but we have find H2, yeah. We cannot find only H. We cannot find H only, but we can find H2, yeah. And if you want to get H, we have to make certain chemical reaction. So from the H2 become only H, yeah. Okay. Okay, so for the H2, okay. So the electron dot notation, yeah, of H is this, right? Yeah, because it only have because hydrogen only has one valence electron. Okay, so if the because the okay so okay the hydrogen try to be like helium, yeah, because helium, yeah, uh, because okay the hydrogen tries to be helium, yeah, because helium has because helium has um, two valence electron, yeah, two valence electron, yeah. So helium, yeah, the dot notation of helium is like this, right? Yeah, and it is stable, yeah. Okay, so if hydrogen, yeah, which has only one dot, want to have two dot of electrons, yeah. So the hydrogen must find a friend, yeah, must find a friend. So the dot can be 2, yeah. Okay, so the okay, so the hydrogen will try to find friend, yeah. So this is for the hydrogen, and then we have other hydrogen, yeah, that also have one valence electron, yeah. Okay. So this plus this, yeah. So it will become H dot and then dot H, yeah. So the hydrogen, so the red hydrogen, okay, so I will make it more better. Okay, so for the red hydrogen, yeah, it has two, yeah, it has two electron, yeah, like the helium. And then for the white hydrogen have also has two valence electron like the helium, yeah, because the nearest noble gas for hydrogen is helium, yeah, as you can see on the periodic table, because the hydrogen is the atomic number of hydrogen is 1, and then the atomic number of helium is 2, so it is 1 2, yeah, it is close enough. Okay, that's for the hydrogen. But sometimes, yeah, sometimes to make it simpler, yeah, the dot, the two dots or the pairs of electron can be written with only line, yeah. So this can be written as H strip H, yeah. Okay, so this line, yeah, this line represent this pair of electron. Okay, okay, that's for hydrogen. Okay, let's find another one. Let's find, okay, let's try another example. We have F2, yeah, we have F2. Okay, so the electron configuration of F2 is, okay, F has 9, yeah, 9 atomic number, so it must be 1s2, 2s2, 2p 5, yeah. So this is 2 electron in this shell, and then for in this shell it has 7 electron, yeah. So the atomic the dot notation will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, yeah. Okay, so I think, yeah, 7. Okay, so F2, yeah, so it must be this is the first F, and okay, and because the closest noble gas, yeah, the closest noble gas from fluorine is neon, yeah. So the fluorine try to be neon, yeah. So it has to get 1 electron. So this will become 8, yeah. So it's like a noble gas. Okay, and the closest one is neon, yeah, neon, because it is 8a, so it will have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, yeah. So from this become this. Okay, and the effort, yeah, so the fluorine and the effort, so fluorine can be like the neon. The fluorine has to find other friend, yeah, which is other fluorine, yeah. So this is the first fluorine. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then other fluorine again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then this is plus, and it will become first F, which is the white F1, yeah. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then this is for F, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and then for the red F, it has 8, yeah, 8 valence electron. And then for the F, yeah, it also has 8 valence electron, yeah, which is the same condition with the neon, yeah. Or we can also write it down with F strip F, yeah. Okay, that's for number 2. And then another one we can find okay, I have two, I think, two last for the CF4, yeah, CF4. Okay, C and then CF4. Okay, so for the C, okay, for the C, okay, let's make it faster. C, it is in 7, it is in 4A, so it must have 4 electron valence. And then for the fluorine, yeah, for the fluorine, like this, fluorine has 7 valence electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so if you want to make CF4, then it must be like this, yeah. It will plus 4F, yeah, so it will become C 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, and then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then for this F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then for this F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then for the last fluorine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so every every element here has 8 valence electron, yeah. Okay, so this is 8, yeah, this is 8 for the fluorine here, and then also this is 8 for the fluorine here, and then this is 8, yeah, for the fluorine in here, and then for the last fluorine also it has 8 valence electron, yeah, 8 valence electrons. This is 8 valence electron, and then also this is 8 valence electron. And for the carbon, yeah, in the core also it has 8, yeah, it has also 8 valence electron. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, there is some technical issue. Okay, last example. Okay, we have nitrogen, yeah, N2, yeah. Okay, so for the last, okay, so okay, but before so this structure can be written as this, yeah, one, that's right, and then this is F, 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 and then this is F, yeah. Okay, okay, now let's try this one, N2, yeah, and the electronic dot of N2 is the nitrogen. Okay, so nitrogen is in 5, yeah, in 5 5A, so it must have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. Okay, so how we can make the N2, yeah, from this structure, from this electron dot notation. So let's try the first N. Okay, so the first N it will be like this, and then I will put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then for the second N, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, for the first for the blue nitrogen, yeah, it has 8 valence electron, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah, 6 plus 1, 2. Okay, so this is So for the blue nitrogen, it has 8 valence electron. And then for the red one, okay, for the red one, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it also has 6 valence electron, yeah, 8 valence electron, yeah. So this is the structure of nitrogen, yeah. Or we can also write this structure, yeah, using this. And because it has 3 pairs, yeah, so we have to write down 1, 2, 3 because it has 3 pairs of electron. Okay, yeah. So this is the another uh, writing of the nitrogen. Okay, so this is how we can use the covalent bonding using electron dot notation, and I hope you can understand this video. Thank you.